Hello students, welcome to our next problem. We are at unit number 4, projections of planes. Till now we have discussed projections of planes inclined to both the planes, oblique planes. Two problems as part of exercise 9. Next, coming to the next problem, number 3. Looking at the problem, a thin rectangular plate of sides 60 mm by 30 mm has its shortest side in the VP and inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Project its top view if its front view is a square of 30 mm long sides. Hope you understand the question, right? First of all, the plane shape is given as thin rectangular plate. Thin is which is not having thickness, negligible thickness, right? Of side 60 by 30 dimensions, right? Coming to its location, its shortest side is in the VP. Shortest side, you know, a rectangle will have two shortest sides and two long sides. Now that shortest side which is in the VP is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Now he is asking project its top view if its front view is a square of 30 mm long. It is inclined with the shortest side in the VP at an angle of 30 degrees to HP. After that, when it has to be tilted to a position such that front view is looking like a square. Front view is looking like a square. If you can see, I can show you with the help of an example. See, it's a rectangle, short sides, long sides, right? 60 by 30, 60 mm long, 30 mm width. Now its shortest side in the VP. Now what I'm doing is, I'm keeping entirely, right? Take this whiteboard as VP and this my palm as HP. Now its shortest side is in the VP. Now entire plane surface in the VP. Now if I try to if try to pull the plane towards front side, here I can have some angle such that I can keep one side is in the VP. Now that side inclined at 30 degrees to HP, right? See, whatever this side which is now 90 degrees to HP, now horizontal plane 90 degrees. Now it is at 30 degrees. See, if you try to draw, if you try to analyze with a horizontal plane, now this side is making an angle of 30 degrees. One side, which is shortest side, is in the VP. It is in the VP. Remaining plane is in the air, nothing but towards some angle. Now, project its top view. We are supposed to show its top view if its front view is looking like a square. Now, at this position, when I maintain some angle here with respect to VP, for the surface which is not given. Now here in this case, this is looking in the front view as a square as per his. Now directly we cannot draw its projections as it's an indirect question. Now you can see square from the front view. We have to show its top view, which will be a diminished and some irregular shape of a rectangle. Now how to solve this? Same step by step. First of all, we don't know how to solve this, right? Means as we are not removing the angles like previous problems, but from the answer we have to get the question and what are the second step. See, final answer, it's a square. Like if you take for 3 steps previous problems, when you compare, step 1 initial position true shape, step 2 showing only inclination with the HP, step 3 getting the final top view, final front view. Now final front view is giving it as square. Now initially we can draw the 2 steps. In the second step we are supposed to get the answer. Now we are going, it's part of something like reverse engineering. So as part of that, what we have to do? Now let me remove that inclination with VP. Now what happened? With the entire surface goes and falls on VP. Now whatever the angle 30 degrees is there, let me take it to rotate for 90 degrees. Now initial step, I can draw front view as a rectangle, top view as a straight line. As he is mentioning, one side is in the VP. If I try to place this on VP, from the top view, you will be coinciding with XY line. The line will be coinciding with XY line. Now, second step, what I am going to do is, I am not taking this 30 degrees, but I have to show this in the front view as a square, which is the final answer. Second step, I will draw the square and I will try to find out the inclination. Second step, I will draw the square and I will try to find out the inclination. See, hope you all understand. See, we are solving this as part of reverse engineering process. See, as usual, first of all, Now a big XY line. See first rectangle. I'm trying to draw as per this shape. A rectangle 60 by 30 side. Now if you want to show the dimensions directly, first of all from the question, this is the shortest side which I have to show as 30, longest side which I have to show as 60. Now coming to notations, right? You can see from here, you can draw it A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. See shortest side which I am considering is A dash, D dash. Now coming to its top view is on XY line. A, B are the directly visible things, C and D are inside. That is the first step. Now second step, see as you are aware, actually it is true shape. Now think here, this is looking like a square, right? Where in the front view is looking like a square, but actually for the problem definition, shortest side, whatever the shortest side which I have taken, this should be inclined at 30 degrees. This should be inclined at 30 degrees. This side, whatever this side, A dash, D dash, which is shortest side which I am considering, it should be at 30 degrees. Before proceeding that, I have to find out the angle. If I with this, without showing this 30 degrees to HP, this has to look like a square. When it look like a square, if I try to maintain some angle with respect to VP, top view VP. Now, when the top view VP, if I maintain some angle from the front view, you can observe it as a square. I hope you all understand. When I maintain some angle with the VP, from the front view, you can observe it as a square. Now, at what angle? We don't know. If you know the angle, what you will do, you will take a point A here and draw that particular angle. From that, you will draw projector towards the front view and you can show it as a square. But we know answer is a square, right? So for that purpose, what I am trying to do is, here I am drawing a square of 30 mm long. I'm drawing a square of 30 mm long. Square of 30 mm long. The same rectangle is being converted into a square. See, same one, right? I am not changing anything, but points will be changed to new shape: A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash. Now what I have to do is I have to find out the angle. Now how I can, if I draw projectors towards down from here, right? From here, this line, AB line, is be projected or is to be drawn at a particular angle. Now, how to do that is, now procedure, extend these projectors to any length. Extend the projector. Now, measure this AB long line. How much this is? 60 mm. Take your compass. This is point A. From here, cut the arc of 60 mm for point B. As usual, here in bracket C will get, here in bracket D will get. Join AB. Now you will find the angle with respect to VP 5. It's not asked, but we are supposed to show that particular angle 5. Now, see, we have completed 2 steps. Step 1, true shape. From the front view, it should look like a square. We have satisfied this. This square of what dimension? (30 by 30). Now think here, we are supposed to go with the shortest side in the VP. Shortest side here, AD is in the VP. This is, and this is inclined. This is in the VP. Now front view it's a square. Top view it's having some angle which we have determined. Now satisfying the next condition with respect to shortest side in the VP is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. This square with the shortest side is to be drawn at an angle of 30 degrees. Now what is the shortest side which we are considering? This A1 dash, D1 dash. This is at an angle of 30 degrees. So you are supposed to draw this particular angle. Now how I can draw that particular angle is simple. This one, right? If I try to draw a 30 degrees line like this, right? For example, suppose if I try to draw a 30 degrees line, on that 30 degrees line I have to rotate this square. But 30 degrees line, if I try to draw a square, it will get coincide with our XY line. So negotiating 30 degrees towards the left side, instead of that we are taking towards right side. Right? How to draw that means from here, see, take a point, show 30 degrees towards left side. 30 degrees. Still 30 degrees, it's small angle, I have to show. On that 30 degrees, I have to construct this square with A1 dash, D1 dash. Now, take any point, right? D1 dash. Final D1 dash. Now, from here, whatever the side is there, measure it and cut it with the help of compass. A1 dash. Complete the square. With respect to 90 degrees, I have to complete it. Just reconstructing the square, whatever that which you have drawn in the second step, reconstructing the square into final front view. This is A1 dash, right? D1 dash. Try to draw 90 degrees lines. A, B1 dash, C1 dash. Simple. Now projecting its top view, right? Ask it project its top view. This is the answer which we have to show. Top view, how you can project? A1 dash projector, B1 dash projector, C1 dash projector, D1 dash projector. Pick the intersection points from the previous top view. See, it's A and D are on the same line. Now B and C, one more line. You have to understand this. We are trying to find the answer with the help of step 2. Picking up the points, A to A1 dash becomes A1. B is here, it becomes intersection B1. C, this line, C1 dash becomes C1. D is here, intersection becomes D1. Now finally, A1 B1, B1 C1, C1 D1, D1 A1. Observe, your rectangle is something looking like a diminished and looking like a rhombus or something parallelogram, whatever it is. Right? This is your final answer, final front view, final top view. It has to be thick. Hope you all understand. Simple, just I am revising it. See, initially given question is rectangle 60 by 30 has its shortest side on VP. That side is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to HP, provided that its front view is looking like a square, right? With that 30 degrees, its front view is looking like a, see, I have taken like this 30 degrees. Here front view is looking like a square. Now, as I cannot draw it directly, so what I'm doing is, I'm just taking this inclination into consideration. I have to find out this first. I'm removing 30 degrees and making it 90, so that I can draw rectangle. I have drawn rectangle, front view, top view. Now, front view, it's looking like a square as per the final answer. I have to get the angle, so I have drawn the square, got the angle. After getting the angle, I have rotated this 30 degrees towards left side for the convenience of space. 30 degrees, reconstructed the square, projected the top view. Hope you all understand, right? Try to practice it. If any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.